The ionization constant of phenol is higher than that of ethanol because means they are asking why phenol is more acidic than ethanol. Ionization constant means dissociation constant. Dissociation constant will be more if there is more H plus ion in the solution. Means they are asking why phenol is more acidic than ethanol. So let us see first option. Phenoxide ion is bulkier than ethoxide ion. That is not the correct option. That is not the correct reason. Phenoxide ion is a stronger base than ethoxide ion. That is also wrong. Phenoxide ion is stabilized through delocalization. This is correct answer. Phenoxide ion is less stable than ethoxide ion. This is also wrong. Now let us see phenoxide ion is stabilized by delocalization. Now if I take ROH dissociates to give RO minus and H plus. Similarly, phenol. Phenol dissociates to give phenoxide ion and H plus ion. If this is acid, this is the conjugate base. Similarly, phenol is acid, this is conjugate base. The conjugate base of a strong acid will always be stable. The conjugate base of a strong acid should always be stable. Now let us take alcohol. ROH dissociates to give RO minus. For any charge species, the stability depends on the charge intensity. If the charge intensity is more, stability will be less. So now again I am repeating, for any acid to be a strong acid, the conjugate base should be more stable. So here what is happening? R is electron releasing group. If it releases electrons towards onto oxygen, the charge intensity on oxygen increases. So stability decreases. So alkoxide ion is less stable. Alkoxide ion is less stable. Means the conjugate base of alcohol is less stable, means alcohol is a weak acid. Now let us take phenol. Phenol dissociates to give phenoxide ion. How is phenoxide ion? Phenoxide ion is like this. Now what is happening? The negative charge on oxygen is in conjugation with benzene ring. The negative charge on oxygen on phenoxide ion is in conjugation with benzene ring, means it gets delocalized. With increase in delocalization, stability increases, means the conjugate base of phenol is more stable, means phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic, or ionization constant of phenol is more than ethanol because phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, or phenoxide ion is stabilized by conjugation. So what is your answer here? Phenoxide ion is stabilized through delocalization. The negative charge on oxygen will get delocalized on the benzene ring. So stability of phenoxide ion increases, means acidity of phenol also increases. That is, ionization constant of phenol is more than ethanol.